The fourth generation of the Flagship model delivers next-generation plug-in hybrid technology in a sophisticated and dynamic design. Mitsubishi Motors Europe premieres the new Outlander PHEV D-SUV, specifically developed for Europe, the next stage in the company's product offensive. Mitsubishi Motors Europe continues its new product offensive and investment in the European market with the premiere of the new Outlander PHEV D-segment SUV. The flagship model is a game-changer for the market with a unique position that reshapes the customer perspective. Its design delivers a bold, willful character that emits adventurousness through its distinctive aesthetic. The new Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV's dynamic shield is its daring and distinctive front face. From the side, the vehicle's stance delivers stability and a strong horizontal body structure with muscular lines. At the rear, the sculpted hexagon style expresses strength, and the taillight's horizontal design emphasizes stability and width. Welcome to refined serenity. The 2025 Outlander plug-in hybrid's cabin is designed to anticipate your needs with available features that deliver premium comfort and functionality.